Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download, install, and run Android-x86 on VMware Workstation. And not just that, I'll also show you how to fix common problems like stuck at console, boot issues, and black screen errors. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Download Android-x86. First, open your browser and open web Android-x86.org. Click on the download button. You will see two options here. Select the first option. It will redirect you to the SourceForge website. Here, you can find all versions listed from the latest to older releases. The latest version will be highlighted with a green button. Click on that green download button, and your download will start automatically. Now open VMware Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Choose Installer Disk Image File, ISO, and browse the Android-x86 ISO file. Click Next. Select Operating System. Now here is the important part. Since there is no Android option available, select Linux version. Other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit, click Next. Name and location, give a name like Android. Choose your preferred location and click Next. Disk Setup, set disk size to 20 GB or more. Click Next. Click on Customize Hardware. Set RAM size 2 GB or more, then Finish. Now power on the virtual machine. From the menu, select Installation, install Android-x86 to hard disk. Partition disk, select Create, Modify partitions. Use GPT, select No. Choose New, press Enter. Select Primary, then Enter. Select Write, then press Enter. Here type Yes, then choose Quit. Select the created partition, then OK. Choose ext4, then OK. Select Yes to confirm. Install bootloader, select Yes. Make system writable, select Yes. Wait for installation to complete. Select Reboot. Android should boot normally. Complete the setup like a new Android device. If your screen stuck console, type Reboot, press Enter. At boot menu select first option, then press E. Again press E. Find quiet using arrow key. After the quiet, type nomodeset xforcevesa. Press Enter. Then press B to boot. Once the system boots successfully, you will see the Android welcome screen. Select your language, then tap Start. Connect to a Wi-Fi network if required. Next, sign in with your Google account or skip this step. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, just like a new Android device. After finishing, you will reach the Android home screen, and your system is ready to use. Now we will make boot fix permanent so you don't have to repeat the boot steps every time. Sometimes, even after applying the temporary boot fix, Android may again boot into a black screen or console after restart. So, we need to edit the system boot file and save the fix inside it. Press Alt plus F1 to start the terminal. Now type the following commands one by one. Press I to enter edit mode and then add nomodeset xforcevesa. Set timeout also. After editing, press Escape. Then type :WQ and press Enter. Now type Reboot. Press Enter. Your system will restart, and the fix will be saved permanently. Now your Android-x86 is fully working on VMware Workstation without any issues. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.